What's up, guys? Elite Gamer 101 here, and today, so I don't actually know what I was going to say there, but so today we're going to be doing origami. I've been into origami for since like February or something like that, and I can't remember if the last video went up. I might have said it in that I haven't recorded in months, so yeah, without further ado, well, as you can see at the title, right down there, you can see that we are actually doing an origami hat today. So without further ado, let's get into it. First off, you want to start off with a rectangle piece of paper like this, and then fold it like this as you would when you are making a square. And since I'm at this angle, it may look pretty bad for you guys. So just crease like this. Make sure that's very accurate. So it should be like that. Unfold, and then fold the other corner right up to that same spot or right to the line where it ends right about here. Crease again, and then you should have an X up here with a little box down here, which you usually cut off for a square. So, and actually for the hat, you actually don't have to cut it off. So what's next is you fold it right here. So what you want to do is make sure that you get right aligned with the X right in the middle. Fold it like that, and also make sure that these are aligned like that, and then fold the part you would usually cut off up against it, and you should end out with this, with just that area remaining. So unfold the whole thing, or well, unfold the first fold that you did, and then you'll to inside reverse fold on each side where it has the creases for it. So like this. And again, make sure that it's very accurate and very precise. And also make sure that this has a point so that it just makes it more precise. So like that, and then should end out with these flaps having kind of like a house. So now I keep on holding it towards me. So then fold it about an inch over where the flaps connect, like right up here, about an inch from that with this one, and then do the same over here right on top of it. And make sure that there's a perfect square right here with it so that, yeah, we have to, and then flip the page over, fold it up until you can see this part right here, and make sure that's right on that. And do the same with the other side. And then it should be overlapping like this. And remember, it has to be in a good square. So see, like this. Yep, see, square. And then just fold it in. Fold square in half from that, like this. And we're almost done. So flip it over again. And then, so take this right here, or to make it easier, fold over to the secondary, and then fold this up. Like that, and that is going to be like the part that blocks the sun from your face, and then flip it over. Grab this spot, pull it out underneath the flap like this, and then what you want to do is just space it out so that it's just a little box. See, like that. Now, since I spaced it out, it's a little box, and then there you go. That's your origami hat. So yeah, it might be a little bit small. You'll have to get bigger size paper for it to fit on your head, which, let me just bring the camera up. Okay, so, yeah, see, it would fit like on a doll or something, but yeah, you need bigger paper. Or if you really want it to fit on your head, you would have to kind of like cancel out these. Well, you would still have to fold it for the origami, but you would kind of have to release it like this, and then put on your head like that, like kind of those little like desert hat things. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget. Oh, and also, it's very easy to fall apart, so make sure, I'd say the best spots to staple it would be, and then, wait, what? Okay, my camera just glitched for a second. If you want to not be able to wear it, staple right here, but if you do, just staple right here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment whatever you like. See you guys in the next video. Bye!